My name is Dr. Sonu. I'm a spine therapist and I'm here to take you through how we can prevent ourselves from neck pain. Because you are the principal of your own life. If anything happens to you out of negligence, we will still ask you the question. Don't forget that negligence is not an excuse. See you in that video. Different things can cause neck pain. What are the causes of neck pain in Africa? The first one is wrong posture. Sitting anyhow. Wrong sleeping posture can cause neck pain. And using pillow that is not fiber can cause neck pain. The second thing that can cause neck pain is lifestyle. The food you eat, the work you do. Are you the type that always stress yourself? What did I mean by stress? There's difference between exercise and stress. Good exercise should be less than 15 minutes. But there are times that in Africa, we turn exercise to stress. And another thing is our sitting positioning. If you enter banks, you understand a lot of bankers sit for more than 8 hours every blessed day. And prolonged sitting can cause cervical issue. Because when you sit for a long time, you're tired, you will be pushing your neck to the front. Especially when your chair you're using in your office is not adjustable. The pain is always gradual. It will come like a tingling, and later it will now increase, start spreading to the nerve, and the nerve will now cause the pain. One thing about neck pain is your body will be accumulating it. For instance, when we're very, very small, from our school life, go and check average schools in Africa. You will notice that the chair they use in average school in Africa is not adjustable. So a lot of students struggle to see their book on their desk. And the loads of the bag in Africa for students is too much that they will be forced to stretch their neck to the front. And sitting positioning is not our culture in Africa. Overuse of phone in Africa can cause neck pain. Because when you're holding your phone for 5-10 minutes, changing your neck, some people will still use their neck and their cheek to hold the phone. We are used to that. These are things that your body will now pack. Because out of every nonsense of things we're doing when we're very small, it will reflect when you're getting older. Don't forget that this neck we're talking about, 7 vertebrae make the cervical. And this cervical, they are well aligned in a row that if you stretch it out, it can pull the nerve supporting those vertebrae. How can you sit right? When you sit down, you must make sure that your hair is above your shoulder level, not after your shoulder or backward. Make sure you are sitting straight. That is the first way you can solve this problem. The second one is, while driving, make sure that you are relaxing your back on the chair. And while you want to reverse, don't turn your neck to the side to reverse. You can use your 2 mirrors. That is why the 2 mirrors are there for you. Business owners in Africa are not helping because they only buy chair that they think is better for their staffs. They don't care if the chair is good for the health of their staffs. A lot of offices are using chair that is not adjustable. Height is different. So if you are sitting on a chair that is not adjustable, this can trigger pain, and it may be minor before, but if care is not taken, it will come to chronic and the pain will increase. Another thing is, while sleeping, make sure that if you want to sleep on a side, you are using 2 pillows to sleep. One here and one in between your 2 thighs to brace the pelvic. So the pelvic will be aligned with the cervical. And without the help of this vertebra, you won't be able to turn to the right or turn to the left. Sit on a chair that will make you sit right, not the one that will bend you. While sitting on chair that will bend you can affect even beyond your cervical region. And it can cause spondylosis. Mind you, not now. That's why I said your body accumulates all this stress, bad postures, and bad lifestyle together. And when you are getting old, you will now feel the neck pain as if it is age that is causing it. It is not age, it is lifestyle. Don't forget that this is the only body you have. You may be billionaire, trillionaire, but this body, you cannot buy it. Live an healthy lifestyle. Make sure you are sitting on a right posture. Don't overstress your body. You are the principal of your body. If you live your life anyhow, your body will ask you questions. Like, share, and comment. Tell us what part of the world you are watching from. Thank you.